Hello, good good evening, everybody. And today we are going to write our first smart contract from scratch. And the smart contract will be able to, to store the book name on the blockchain, to be able to view that book and to be able to update that book name on the blockchain. So to write our first smart contract, we have to call the keyword pragma Solidity special character 0.8.9. So we first of all declare the version of the Solidity we are going to use. So we have pragma here, that's the keyword pragma, and then we call Solidity, and then we call the 0.8.9 version. That's actually the latest version we are going to use in this course. So we have to call the smart contract keyword, or called contract. We give a name to our contract, let's say demo. We open and close curly braces. And this is here that we are going to use all our codes, all our logic to be able to interact with our smart contract. So let's say, what do we want to create? We want to create, a smart contract to be able to store the book name, to view that book name, and to update the book name on the blockchain. So let's say and give step by step what we have to do. Let's say store book name on the blockchain on chain. Let's say on chain. And then we want to view the book. And then we want to view the book name. And then we want to update or change the book name. Let's change book name. Okay, to do that, we are going to create a variable. So we are going to declare a variable here, it says string, and we are going to give a name to our variable, let's say book name. And then we are going to assign a value to our variable that we just declared. Let's say think and grow rich. Yeah, so that is it. So when declaring a variable, you have first of all to declare the type of the variable. That's statically typed language. So that's how we declare variable in Solidity. We declare first of all this type of the variable, and this is a string. And then we give the name to our variable, and then we put what we need inside our variable. So that is it. And we want to be able to view that variable name, or this think and grow rich book on the blockchain. So how can we do that? We have to create a function to do that, so that once somebody click that function, you'll be able to see that think and grow rich. So let's say function get book view public returns string memory. Okay, we open and close curly braces. So this is the structure of a function. Well, when we declare a function, first of all, we have to call the keyword function. We give the name of the function. We also put open and close parentheses. And if we need an argument, we are going to put that argument here. But for this function, we don't need any argument. We don't need any argument for that. It is just a function to view the variable that is being stored on the blockchain. So That is it. And you have the keyword view. This specify that we want to view the variable that is stored on the blockchain, on the variable that is stored on that function. And the public is just to set the visibility of the function to be able to see it or to call that function outside the smart contract. We don't want only the person that wrote the smart contract to be able to access it. And the returns keyword here is just to say that in Solidity we have to return the types of the variable that we declare, and that's how we did it. We say string memory because in Solidity we store the variable or string variable in memory. So when manipulating variables function, especially string variable, you always have to specify string memory. Memory is the location where string are stored. So we going to return here, return I'm going to return the book name. Yeah, so this is the function. Complete function is actually usable. So when someone is going to click on that function, because you have a clickable button for that, when somebody is going to click that function, this get book is going to get the book name, and the book name here is equal to this, think and grow rich. So this is the first one. We actually created, we store the book on the blockchain. Now we can actually view the book name, and then let's say we want to create another function to be able to update. Let's say we don't want the book name think and grow rich to be here. We want to store another book name that is available. So let's say function, you have to update or change. Let's say update book, open and close parentheses, and then we have to set the visibility of the function. Let's say public. Yeah, since we want to change or to modify the state of the blockchain, we have to put some argument here. And what do we want to change? We want to change the book name. Yeah, and the book name has its type of string, so we have to put string memory, and then you have to put book name, but this book name you have an underscore to avoid the override problem. So, and here what we can do is that the book name will be equal to that underscore book name, and this is actually done. So we have created the second function to be able to update our book on the blockchain. So that is it. We actually done. Let's go and check it how it works, and to get that is it.